there guys, I'm back again, and let's just get rid of the elephant in the room. This right here. I drank from somebody's glass, which was what I thought my glass, but apparently it wasn't my glass over the weekend, and 3 days later, this fella shows up. So I don't feel cute. I didn't take like the liberty to do my hair. As you can see, it's one hot mess. I don't feel cute. I don't feel nice. I just want to get this video over with and put a patch on this fella because the infection is real. And for all the people who say, oh my God, you're overreacting when it comes to me being overprotective of my drinks, my food, and my lipsticks, this is the freaking reason why I need to be overprotective with that stuff. So there you go. Okay, but today we're going to talk about this little puppy that's been sitting here for quite a few days because I was hoping the swelling would go down and this fellow would kind of disappear and I would feel cute again and film, but it's just getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and trust me, it's not the first time, and before this gets out of hand and I get a second one or like a huge dysfunctioning lip, let's just put it that way, I just want to get this over with. Okay, so let's open the box up. It says, the mind is like water. When it's calm, everything becomes clear. So inside we've got the Elle magazine, which I never use, so I'm going to put it over there. We got a coupon for the freshest way to shop of Cocado, I'm not really sure how to pronounce this, but this is probably British. Does it say in pounds? Yes, it says in pounds. I live in Holland, so no use for that. And then oh, this is a new box. A box, wow, really? Book. This is a new book. It's bigger, it's sturdier. I feel like the paper is definitely thicker, so that is really cool. And then we've got beautiful light blue paper, which I'm going to rip apart, and then the inside of the box is right here, and you can't really see anything because everything is underneath this fella. Okay, so let's just get started. Wow, the smells that are coming out of this box are really good. So let's just start with this fella right here. This is Glove, the makeup removal your skin deserves. Makeup remover for all skin types. This is the brush. Like the brush glove, I don't know how to pronounce it. Basically a glove to put off. Wow, I can't speak today. As you can see, I really don't feel like doing this video. So basically it's a glove that removes your makeup, but I have 1,000,001 of these, and in my opinion, they don't work. So what we're gonna do with this one is actually give it away to one of you guys in an upcoming giveaway. So it says over here, Glove On The Go Hydro Cleanser. It is worth $11.90 in pounds because it's British, so everything is going to be in pounds. Okay, moving on to something bigger, which is from a Now Bay. This is the Natural and Organic Detox Unpolluted Illuminating Micellar Water, which is pretty cool. Aloe vera, green tea, raspberry, lemon, and sage. Wow, very like natural items. This is what it looks like. Doesn't look all that great. Hopefully you guys are able to see that, but like the color is this really icky beige kind of a color. So the color isn't all that great, but I'm assuming it's going to be the aloe vera and green tea in here. But it does sound pretty good and pretty solid. So let's see in the booklet. Where are you? There are you. It is the Now Bay Illuminating Micellar Water, and the worth is £11. Moving on, Gold Eye Brightening and Firming, made with real gold extract and hyaluronic acid. Oh my God, I feel like I need to redo this video all over again because I'm all over the place. I am so sorry once again if you're like not in the mood to do something, then everything seems to go wrong. So I apologize really, but when you have this and you don't feel good and you don't feel cute, and it's just, this just annoys the crap out of me, okay? So basically we got eye patches, and let's see, it's from Vitamask. But like Vitamask and then a Q-U-E-S. The gold eye pads, and the worth is $5.99. Okay, so we've got Aromatherapy Associates London, Revive Body Gel, Refreshing and Invigorating. Okay, sounds pretty cool. I don't think this is a full size. This is pretty small. It's 40 milliliters. So this is what that little fella looks like. And yeah, it says body gel. So let's see in the booklet. Where are you? It's right over here. It is worth 12 pounds, but it doesn't say anymore whether a product is full size or not. Or did it ever say that in a Lookfantastic box? I know other boxes like have full size or travel size item or sample size even, but I don't see it anywhere. So only thing I know is worth 12 pounds, but I'm pretty sure the big one is worth 12 pounds and not, because this will be very small to pay 12 pounds for. Okay, let's move on. We have 2 more items, is that right? Yes, we have 2 more items and then the box is empty. One item is from Elemis. It's the Hydro Balance Day Cream. I feel like we received something in an order of a day cream or something already from Elemis, but this is what a little sucker looks like, and it is 20 milliliters, so again, not a full size, and it costs Elemis Hydro Balance Day Cream worth 19 and 10p. Pens. I don't know how to pronounce this. Such an annoying word for me, so I just say 1910. But 20 milliliters, yeah, I'm gonna assume the big one is 19 pounds. Okay, thank God this is over. I'm sorry once again. I am here, you know, to put up a video, but this video is a hot mess. Once again, I apologize. The last item in here is from Ico. It's a fat. Wow, it really says that like in fat. See? It's the Fat Eye Stick in Gilt. Intense color and glossy finish. Okay, but what's the color? Doesn't say. Okay, so it says over here, the Ico Fat Eye Stick. Oh, okay, that's the color. The color is actually gilt. So you either get gilt, smoke, or satin, and the worth is 12 pounds. But you know what? As y'all know, I don't use these eyeshadow sticks, so y'all will be seeing this in a upcoming giveaway somewhere along the way. I'm gonna put it over here, and that is that. So we received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. 2 items I'm gonna give away. So I'm left with 4, not too bad. Once again, I'm gonna say I'm sorry for the hot mess, but I just do not feel like filming today. Okay, I hope y'all understand. I'm sorry. Sometimes you're just under the weather, and it's not even that I'm sick, but I just don't feel like doing stuff. I'm just so annoyed with this, so sorry guys. I really do thank everybody who watched this video. Y'all deserve a freaking medal, okay? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!